broadcast. Mr. Prasad, welcome. This CSDS Lokniti poll seems to suggest that the NDA will be over the hump, 133 plus seats projected for the NDA, but it also suggests that at the time this poll was done, there was some level of confusion in core BJP voters who weren't as enthusiastic about wanting Nitish Kumar as Chief Minister as they have been in previous elections. What do you make of the key findings, sir?
Well, I was in your sister channel in Hindi and I was given to understand, I hope the same is your stand too, that this survey was done in between 10th of October till 15th of October. And this margin was given that it may change for the better for NDA or even otherwise. Therefore, even the authors of this report have lodged that caveat. I am campaigning in my state for the last more than 8 days, campaigning all over the state. This whole day I was campaigning in my constituency in Phatua, visiting villages after villages. Tomorrow I am spending another day in my constituency in Bakhtiarpur. I am also seeing the mood. And today I visited some of those areas which were no-go area. Just to give you one example, Rahul. Yesterday I was campaigning in Barhi area of Khajoli constituency in Madhubani, just adjacent to Nepal border, 25 kilometers away. When my helicopter was landing, my candidate said, it was a huge crowd of nearly 10,000 people. My candidate said, sir, this was a no-go area for us. After a long time, a BJP leader has landed in the BJP's helicopter. I hope you understand what I'm trying to convey. And the sheer enthusiasm, the welcome, the kind of delivery which Narendra Modi government, Nitish Kumar government has done is now resonating on the ground. That I would like to say, and that is the reason that even after close to 2005 in the third term plus, this kind of response has come. It is going to concretize. We are campaigning very effectively. And once the Prime Minister comes and addresses the 12th meeting, then you see the decisive shift all the more.
But are you concerned, Mr. Prasad, that amongst NDA voters, when they were asked, why is it that you're voting for the NDA, 16% said Nitish Kumar's government, 27% said because of the Modi government. Even though this is a state election, the dependence on the Prime Minister and the dependence on the BJP is significantly high for the NDA bloc. Nitish Kumar, this poll suggests, is a diminished version of his former Teflon Sushasan Babu self. He doesn't have the kind of pan-Bihar resonance. It's the BJP that's pulling the NDA, emerging likely as the single largest party, with the Nitish bandwagon just tagging along with the BJP engine.
Rahul, I think you have used rather hard words for Nitish Kumar. That will be very unfair. As a Chief Minister, I know him from my JP movement days. He is my senior. He has performed very well. He is an epitome of integrity and good governance. But yes, what is your problem if my BJP supporters also are keen to support Nitish Kumar because they have greater trust in Narendra Modi government? We are together. My Prime Minister always tells us in our government, Bihar की खूब चिंता करो, बिना बिहार के विकास के देश का विकास नहीं होगा. North East की चिंता करो, बिना North East के विकास के देश का विकास नहीं होगा. That is his commitment. And you come and see. Yesterday I asked in a meeting in Sikiti in Araria, again near Nepal border, how much time it takes for you to go to Patna by car. They say 5 hours. I asked earlier, cut 10 hours. Today all the Bihar villages have electricity. They have got roads, and now we are bringing optical fiber connectivity to all the 45,000 villages in the first instance in the coming six months. You have to see river Ganga, Rahul, had only 2 bridges, Mokama and Patna. Now 2 have come up, about 5 are coming more. Koshi River, electricity connection, digital connection, physical connection, road connection. People have seen. It was illusory in the 15 years of the government you are trying to claim the leader, seeking to portray himself. And by the way, on a lighter vein, Rahul, I hope you come to Patna. There is a Veer Chand Patel Path on which there is a BJP headquarter, there is the JDU headquarter, and there is the RJD headquarter. The RJD headquarters big banner has only Tejasvi Babu's image, not the father or the mother who ruled for 15 years. Why? Why you are apprehensive about your own legacy? Because you are also sure once that legacy comes, the entire legacy of loot, of kidnapping, of corruption, stinking corruption, and complete sense of lawlessness will come about.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.